Welcome to the 2024 Rent Manager User Conference. This is our 16th user conference, and it's great to be with you here in Palm Springs.
We hope you learn so much in the classes. You get the opportunity to connect with your peers in the industry. We hope it's a memorable experience. I want to talk about that innovation hall. This is the place to be. This is where you can find our sponsors, our partners who have their products and services that integrate seamlessly into Rent Manager.
So the Rent Manager experience is new this year, and it's your one-stop shop to become an expert in Rent Manager. So how many people are going to Big League Dreams tonight? Join us for a night of live music, food, drinks, games, and so much more. Tomorrow we have the Let's Flamingo Power Hour. You can come and you can mingle and grab drinks and talk to our sponsors in Innovation Hall or meet with our employees in the Rent Manager experience. Make sure you stick around for our closing ceremony, which is on Thursday. This year we will be playing RM Trivia, hosted by none other than Chris Grissinger.
Thank you for joining us in this transformative journey. We're excited to support you as you lead the charge into a new era of property management. Together, let's build a brighter future for everyone in property management.